been looking at a lot of social media posts and comments and stuff about what the mother of my child has been saying. So, okokuqala, Kelly, Nonhlanhla, ngifake ibuku ukuthi, because I understand what you're trying to do. Ngizama ukuyibhekisisa kahle, ngizama ukuyibuka kahle, ngibona into lezama ukuyenza. But firstly, I'd like to thank you for raising up my boy at a time that I couldn't, when I was locked up. I'd like to thank you for being a great mother, Guya. And I'd like to thank you for being present when I was not there and when I was still trying to get up on my feet. However, I don't like lento le uyenzayo. Don't do that and lie about me and assassinate my character. Bese ngimangele ukuthi unyaka ngaphela ungathi juke this, juke that, juke this, juke that. Yabo? Stop it. Angithanda things. Don't do it. I juke this, juke that. Stop it. Mhlandla. Yekela lento le ukuthi mawubheke uboy uthi ukhumbuza mina. So bigger boy with anger. What do you think my son is thinking when he grows up and starts looking at the videos that you've been making, talking about his father like that and blah blah and blah blah? Angifuna ukukhuluma okuningi and whatnot. Kelly, you and I both know what court is like. It's just yabanda. It's hard. It's hard for the bosoms. So I don't want to be putting my boy through that. Going to court, afana no mama no baba going to court. I don't want to do that. You know how many times I've tried to get a hold of you to try and get Uboy. Number two, you know how many times your sister Ukumete and your mother have been trying to talk about indaba yokuthi Uboy sikehlangane aze ngibe the freedom yokuthi ngibone Uboy. Angazi why ulokubambezele uboy umfake ebhodleleni ngathi AI umcontroller nje ngathi ubheka uChristians usebhodleleni. Ngeke ukwenza ingane yami iAI. Stop it, man. Stop it. It's not nice, it's not fair. Let uboy come back. Ungathi I'm a deadbeat dad. Uyahamba uyakula ama-podcast nyana la wakho ukhuluma ngami. I understand ukuthi makhuluma ngami obviously izoba uha, then wonke umuntu ondlingane bona laba bantu abakhomenta ukuthi ondlingane bayondliwa bona. Were they ever want that bazongena indaba engasiza mina ngisifaka endabeni zabantu ngiyafakwa. There's a difference. So don't do that. So many times I've wanted to pay damages. So many times I've wanted to get Moses. So many times I've wanted to do the right things. You've been locking me out. And Kelly, from the time Sase jail, I would bring a coin. From the time I was locked up, I've been sending gifts to Efoslo every Christmas, every December, every birthday. You know what Christian's first gift was. I used to send Pablo to come and drop them off. I've got receipts to or 2014. So please don't make me look like a deadbeat father. I'm alive, I'm kicking. I've been wanting Christian Christian has never hlula at me. I've even gone on podcasts and done all those things. I've made wrong mistakes trying to get people to help me. So yekela nje ukuloko uza kimi kona manje uhluphana nabantu basilele emzini yabantu uJupe useless. That's fine if I'm useless, it's okay. Please bring Uboy, because we did try to go to court, did we not? You rejected that. Your moodly lawyer Lowe Kula, you and her ignored us. I do not want to go that way. So stop making me a deadbeat father. It's not right. Stop it. Stop it. I needs to prove it. Up until you started sending my gifts back from 2015 or 2014. So please don't make me look like a deadbeat father. I'm alive, I'm kicking, I've been wanting Christian Christian has never at me. I've even gone on podcasts and done all those things. I've made wrong mistakes trying to get people to help me. So yekela nje ukulogo uzakimi kona manje uhluphana nabantu basilele emzini yabantu useless. That's fine if I'm useless, it's okay. Please bring Uboy, because we did try to go to court, did we not? You rejected that. Your moodly lawyer, Lowe, you and her ignored us. I do not want to go that way. So stop making me a deadbeat father. It's not right. Stop. Thank you very much for taking care of a Christian. Can I please have my son back? I'm live and kicking. He's not AI. Maybe, you know, or whatnot. But stop making him AI Uboy. Let Uboy, man. Good kid. Apume Uboy. Danko kid.